Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. This video will be a MyLead affiliate program tutorial. I'm going to walk you through an effective method to earn money with MyLead's affiliate network. You're going to learn how to leverage the movie themes and strategically optimized landing pages to generate substantial commissions. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online by promoting other companies' products and services as an affiliate partner. MyLead offers one of the largest catalogs of affiliate offers across almost every niche imaginable that you can promote. And by following this unique movie-focused affiliate strategy, you can tap into MyLead's massive selection of pay-per-install offers, which will earn you sizable commissions. So to get started, you need to create a free affiliate account on MyLead's platform to access their pay-per-install offer catalog. Simply go to mylead.com and click the Create a Free Account. It won't take too long to fill out all the required information like your name and contact details, payment information, etc. in order to sign up as a publisher. Once your account is created, you can easily log in to access MyLead affiliate dashboard, and this is where you'll manage your promotions and track your earnings and much more. What we have to pay attention to is the PPI section within your dashboard. PPI stands for pay per install, and as a MyLead affiliate, these are the types of offers that you'll be promoting. With the PPI offer specifically, you earn a commission when someone signs up and downloads a digital file like an ebook or a free trial or an app install and so much more. They will have to do it through your unique affiliate link. So for example, you could promote a PPI offer for a free e-cookbook all about air fryer recipes and so on. Whenever someone clicks on your link, signs up and downloads the ebook, you earn a commission from MyLead. They have tons of PPI offers that you can promote, spanning many different niches. To get started with earning commissions, we first need to create a movie-themed PPI offer to promote. And the process is simple. First, go to the PPI section within your MyLead affiliate dashboard, and from there click on the Add PPI Configuration button to set up details for a new offer. This is where you'll input the key details about the PPI offer that you want to create. So give your offer an eye-catching title that matches your niche. For example, download the top 100 thriller movie trailers of all time, and then upload the lead magnet digital file that you want visitors to download, like a trailer combination or a movie guide ebook. Just make sure it provides strong value and aligns with your headline. Lastly, select the landing page creative type that you want. This will generate your unique affiliate link to promote the PPI offer. Once you've configured the details, click Save and MyLead will officially create your custom movie trailer PPI offer. They will provide a special affiliate link tied to your account. Then simply whenever someone signs up and downloads the file using your unique link, you will automatically earn commissions based on the payout terms. Next up, after having completed a compelling movie-themed PPI offer, we will need to build a strategically optimized landing page to present the offer and convince visitors to sign up. Your landing page is the destination your affiliate link will send traffic to. This page ultimately convinces visitors to convert by downloading your lead magnet PPI file. I recommend using a free website builder like Google Sites to create your landing page focused on converting signups. Some tips to make a good landing page is to include an attention-grabbing title that matches your PPI offer. Like we said, get the top 100 thriller movie trailers, using strong, relevant images, graphics, logos, and other visual media related to movies to build trust, and to make the landing page even more attractive. Embed a video trailer compilation or highlights of specific popular movie trailers to provide value. And lastly, include persuasive call to action copy like get instant lifetime access to the top trailers now. Once you're done optimizing your landing page for conversions, publish it and copy the URL. Now it's time to drive targeted traffic. Some popular promotion methods include uploading your movie trailers to platforms like Bilibili and include your landing page link in the video descriptions. This will leverage their hundreds of millions of monthly visitors. Also, actively promote your landing page on relevant online forums, groups, communities, and social media profiles focused on movies and trailers. You should research relevant blogs, websites, and publishers related to cinema and see if they will share or review your PPI offer in exchange for a commission. The strategy is simple, driving targeted high-quality traffic from people genuinely interested in movie trailers and cinema. This focused approach will convert your visitors into lead captures and PPI downloads much more effectively versus scattershot promotion. And while this guide focuses on the movie trailer niche, you can expand your approach to leverage other popular niches that work well for PPI offers, so things like trending video games and gaming trailers specifically. Also, hot TV show trailers and sneak peeks earn a lot of conversions, as well as the trending music albums and song samples. All in all, the concept remains the same. Create niche targeted PPI offers, build high converting landing pages, and simply drive focused traffic. This kind of approach provides more opportunities to generate commissions at high scale. I hope that this comprehensive guide provided you with a solid game plan for earning money with MyLead by promoting strategic movie and entertainment focused PPI offers. When you combine MyLead's immense PPI offer catalog with highly targeted, high converting landing pages and optimized traffic sources, you have a proven formula to start generating impressive affiliate commissions over time. Let us know if you have any other questions. I hope that this video has provided great value for you. And if it did, let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we make in the future.